What is the surprising history of cholesterol research? Imagine a tiny molecule that took over 150 years to truly understand its role in our bodies. That molecule is cholesterol, and its story is full of unexpected twists. Cholesterol was first spotted in solid from inside gallstones back in 1769 by a scientist named François Pelletier de la Salle. It wasn't until a few decades later, in 1815, that Michel-Eugène Chevreul gave it the name cholesterol. Early on, scientists only saw it as a chemical compound, not realizing how important it was for our health. It took until the early 1900s for researchers to figure out its complex structure, which has 4 rings and 27 carbon atoms. Scientists like Heinrich Wieland and Dorothy Hodgkin used X-ray diffraction to confirm the structure in 1945. What might surprise you is how long it took for researchers to link cholesterol to heart disease. In the early 1900s, a scientist from Russia named Nikolai Anishkov fed high cholesterol diets to rabbits. He saw fatty deposits form in their arteries, similar to what happens in humans with atherosclerosis. But many ignored this because rabbits are different from humans, and the full picture of cholesterol's role was not yet clear. It was not until the 1950s and 60s that progress sped up. Scientists like Konrad Bloch and Fyodor Lenin mapped out how cholesterol is made in our bodies from simple molecules. They identified an enzyme called HMG-CoA reductase as a key control point. This discovery led to the development of drugs called statins, which lower cholesterol levels. Epidemiological studies, especially the famous Framingham Heart Study starting in 1948, showed that high levels of low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol, increase the risk of heart disease. This shifted how we see cholesterol from just a chemical curiosity to a major health concern. In the 1950s, doctors like Paul Dudley White helped define high cholesterol, smoking, and high blood pressure as risk factors for heart disease. From that point, understanding cholesterol's role in health became a priority. The story of cholesterol research is surprising because it took over 150 years from its discovery to fully grasp its importance in our bodies and health. It moved from being just a chemical compound to a key factor in heart disease. The journey involved many fields, from chemistry to medicine, and led to the development of treatments that help millions today. This history shows how scientific understanding can grow slowly but ultimately change lives for the better.